Toyota has had an aviation division even before they started Toyota the car company. It's been Toyota family's dream to build a flying car, but they found Joby and they decided to go all in on us and devote their resources to help us succeed.
One of the things that was really, it was really great to be able to show as part of this demonstration today was that acoustic profile. And so having the aircraft be able to fly pretty low around this facility, and then have the people who, again, the key Toyota partners and Toyota executives be able to look up and see the aircraft flying, but really not hear it. It was just such a tangible demonstration of that technology that we've developed to make that possible.
So Mount Fuji is, heart and soul for Japanese. It's our pride, and for us to be here flying in front of Mount Fuji, it is not only iconic, but it's really emotional to bring us, Joby, and Japan and Toyota together in this iconic location. It's amazing.